Hi everybody, it's Steven Tasler with Exit Realty, and this is Ask the Expert. Today we're here with b.brophy of Paragon Insurance Group of Wayzata, Minnesota. They're independent insurance agents specializing in personal and commercial lines of property and casualty insurance. Today's question is, what are the differences in a homeowner's policy whether you own a home, a townhome, or a condominium?
Yeah, so some significant differences. A homeowner's policy, you're going to be in charge or need to cover the entire structure of the home. Whereas on a condo or a townhome, typically there's a master policy that goes along with that association, which you pay for in your association dues. That master policy is going to call out what you are responsible for as the unit owner of your condo or townhome. Typical verbiage might be something like an all-in policy or a studs-in policy. If the master policy calls for an all-in type of coverage, that means the association's covering the entire inside of your house, and so at that point you'd be responsible for just your things, your personal property.
Okay.
If it's a studs-in that the unit owner is responsible for, then all of a sudden you are now in charge of things like cabinets, flooring, countertops, potentially even like the drywall, and that's going to significantly change the premium of your policy, but it's better to have that covered than have to pay for it out of pocket at the time of a loss.
Right. So the main difference between the all-in and the studs-in is that either you're paying for it, the policy is covering your stuff, or it's covering your stuff and all of the cabinets and walls and everything.
Right.
That's
Sort of
in there
internal
too.
Structure, if you want to go with that. So
Okay.
they're going to cover the building, and then it's up to you to sort of put your unit back together if it's a studs-in kind of policy.
Excellent. And the way that you would be determining that would be looking at like the homeowner's policy, the homeowners association, and what they put in their
Exactly. So when you're getting ready to buy that townhome or condo, just ask for the master policy of the association, get it to your agent, they can review it and find out what the actual language calls for.
Excellent. That's why having an insurance professional is so important, to be able to ask you these kinds of questions and make sure that you're properly covered. If you have any questions for us, either for Brian or myself, our information is listed in the comments below. Feel free to give us a call at any time. We're more than happy to help. If you like this video, click on like below. If you'd like to see more videos as they come out, click on subscribe. If you have ideas for additional videos that you'd like us to put up on the channel, please put them in the comments below. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next time.